You know, been tearing up a lot of things here lately, including my phone. Fell out of my pocket when I was riding. It don't work anymore. That's it. No, it's not responsive. It's just dead. I dropped my 360 camera, so now I got scratches on the lens I gotta replace there. Alright, now that I got this thing broke down, I'm replacing these bearings, old style bearings everybody used to have, with some sealed bearings. Alright, got a little Springer fork installed. Wiring up this little bit. Got me some turn signals. Replace the grips and the handlebars. I made some brackets down here to hold these lights and these blinkers on. We can give it a little test here. Finally got me a new phone, so back in business. Ordered me a new lens for my 360, so I can fix that and I can be back in business and start more videos.